Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Mario skin in Fortnite. So here is my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this Mario, and here's my sketch underneath. So to begin, we're going to draw in the hat first. So we're going to draw in the visor area, and we'll just draw one line across first. And we won't be able to see his eyes this time because it's going to be covered up by the visor. So then from this line, just curve down. And then just kind of close it off first. And then now we're going to draw in the top of the hat. So from the corners, just bracket up. And then just kind of round it out. So it's pretty much like an egg shape. Alright, and then from here, let's draw in the big circle. So inside is going to be the big letter M. Let's draw in the letter later. Let's go ahead and finish up the face and the body first. Alright, so from here, we're going to draw in his nose. So just right underneath the cap right here. It's one little curve. So now we're going to draw in his really big mustache. So right underneath the nose, just on the side. And I'm going to draw it really big, so I'm going to slant out to the side and then come down all the way to here. So it's as wide as the cap, the visor area. And then from here, point it in. And then just close it off with a little tip on the curve right here. Alright, so now let's draw in the face. So right on the side right here, I'm just going to come in. So just going to hit the mustache. So just a bracket. And then just continue down. And then just close off the bottom. Okay, and then for his ear, just right on the side right here. And then lastly for the mustache, I'm just going to add in some of these lines right here. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the head. Now let's move on to the body. So the body is pretty simple. I'm going to start up here. Slant out nice and wide for the shoulders. And then now I'm going to come down, just kind of pinch it in slightly. Close it off right here. So this will be the top of the belt. And then for the belt, I'm just going to add one section. And let's go ahead and add in the belt buckle right here. Okay, and then now for the inside, let's go ahead and draw in the overalls. So right underneath the chin right here, just one big curve, almost to the end, but just don't connect that. Audio, almost to the end, but leave a little gap. And then from the corners right here, just go into the sides. All right, and then from here to this corner, connect to that corner. And then one more, just pretty much the same as this slant right here. Just connect to that. And then lastly, one little detail, the pocket in here. So this one's easy. Right in this space right here, just draw a little, pretty much like a little bow. Alright, so that's the torso, and now let's draw in this arm, and it's going to be holding the plunger on this side. So the arm is going to be right here on the bottom. I'm going to start on the top. Just come down first, and then on the bottom, just come down as well. I'm just going to stop right there first. And then right here is going to be his thumb. So right on the tip, just draw like a little egg shape. And then now for his hand, this corner right here, I'm just going to curve. On the bottom right here, continue down and just kind of round it out. And then from here, one straight line. And now I'm going to draw in the plunger. So I'm going to draw a slant right here. Same slant as this line right here. Just draw two lines and let's just go ahead and round it out. So that's. And then from here, let's go ahead and finish up the hand. right in between this space right here, just add in 2 lines for the fingers. And then now from here, just gonna wrap it around, connect to the bottom right here. And then now I'm gonna continue with this curve right here. Just go behind the handle, curve all the way up and connect that. So that's gonna give us the forearm. And then now whatever space you have here, I'm just gonna connect this. Okay, let's go ahead and finish up the plunger. So I'm gonna continue this up here. Close it off, and then now for the tip, just bracket up. So it's pretty much like a bow. Just close it off, and then extend this line right here, and then just add a rectangle, and that will give us the plunger. All right, let's continue on with this arm. So again, here's the armpit. I'm gonna start on the top again, go out, and then right here, I'm just gonna close it off. So his elbow's right here. And then now this is actually his shirt sleeve. So now for his arm, I'm gonna come in slightly, just add a little bracket like this, and then close it off almost flat here. Okay, and then now for his glove right here, come in, just add 1 section here, 2 lines, and then now for his hand right here, his thumb, 1 little hook. Here's the back of the hand, and then I'm just gonna dip it down and then come back up, connect to the thumb, and add 1 little line right here for the other fingers. Okay, so before we add in the legs, let's go ahead and add a little bit more detail right here. Just 1 little line here, and if you want to add in some folds, just on the ends, just add a little line. So those are very easy to draw, and those little details really make the drawing a lot better. All right, so now let's draw in the legs. So right in the middle right here, just come down, draw a little curve. From the side right here, I'll give it a slight curve. So just pass this line, and now we'll come down, and then close it off with a little bit of a slant. Okay, and then now for the bottom, he's got those little paddings right here. So we'll flare out, and then let's just go ahead and close that off. On the side right here, come down, and then from this point here, I'm going to draw a line straight across, past this line right here, this end, just go past it, and then from this point, I'm just going to draw in 1 big dome shape. So this is going to be a shoe, and then once you have this shape, start in this corner, just close this off. So that's going to give us the leg. All right, and then for this sew on the bottom, we'll just extend this, we'll flare out, close it off, and then on the inside here, just gonna add a couple of rectangles. All right, so let's draw on the same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna come down, come across, again past this, and then 1 big dome shape. This one's almost straight down, just connect that. And then same thing here for the sew. Flare out, close it off, and then let's add in some details to this padding right here. I'm just gonna add 2 lines right in the middle. And we can even add in the little pockets right here. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the body. Let's go ahead and come back up here and draw in the bubble letter M. So these are always a little bit tricky here. To draw this right in the middle, I'm just gonna draw a little V shape, and then just slant out the side, so it's just gonna be a little small M inside. And then now we're gonna go up. Okay, so we're gonna flare out, and then just kind of go up. Come across just slightly on the top, and then close it off with another V shape, same as the one on the bottom. And that is it for this Mario skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.